let's fold this 11 by 17 inch zine, pronounced Z-E-N. We're going to fold it so there's 8 equal blocks, so we'll fold it in half first. The order really doesn't make a lot of difference whether I do this one first. They all have to be done. So now we're going to turn this around, and so now we've done it 2 ways, so we've split it into 4 sections. Let's just bring this one over to the center. The closer you get it to the center and to get to where the fold lines are equal, you get 4 equal parts, the better the publication will come out. So now we have all the fold lines. There is a dashed line here that's down the center of that fold. So let's fold this over this way. Get our scissors or our knife and fold this. Cut it right down that line. Bring this out. Grab these 2 folds here. You may have to refold it so it forms a diamond shape. Fold that diamond shape in and wrap it around. Use your scissors or a spoon, your fingers, something to get that nice and crisp. And there you have page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.